I once spent an entire afternoon designing a color-coded plan for my week. Each task had a category. Each category had a symbol. There was a legend, yes, a legend, I tell you. By the time I was done, I felt like a productivity god. I'd achieved nothing. But the plan, it looked amazing. Then Monday arrived, and the plan, well, it just stared back at me like, you didn't really think this through, did you? So here's the thing. Planning feels productive. It gives you the illusion of control. Like, look, I've mapped everything out. I'm so ready. But if we're honest, sometimes planning is just polished procrastination. It's a socially acceptable way to delay doing the scary stuff. It's the adult version of sharpening pencils before homework. So here's my new approach. Plan less. Act more. Make a plan while already in motion. And if you're stuck, ask, am I planning or am I hiding? Because clarity doesn't always come from a spreadsheet. Sometimes it comes from simply starting. Today, I ditched a 5-point productivity plan. I did. I did one thing, then another. And funny enough, it worked. Until next time, I've been John, recovering planaholic Cassidy Rice.